Hello friends, this book is called Pete the Kitty and the Case of the Hiccups. Got this from the public library. This is I can read my first reading. My son picked this book out. Hiccups. Oh no, Pete has the hiccups. Hiccups. Hiccup. How do you stop the hiccup? Pete asked Grumpy Toad, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, said Grumpy Toad. You stand on one foot. Pete stands on one foot. Hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asked Callie, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Callie. You stand on one foot and hop up and down. Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. Hiccups, hiccups. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asked Gus, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, said Gus. You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song. Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. He sings a song. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asked Bob, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Bob. You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song and rub your belly, says Bob. Pete does it. Hiccups. Nothing is working. Pete still has the hiccups. Go ask Mom, says Bob. Pete asks Mom, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Mom. You take a deep breath. Pete takes a deep breath. Hold your breath and blow it out, says Mom. Pete holds his breath. Pete blows his breath out. That's it, Pete asks. That's it, says Mom. He waits and he waits and he waits. The hiccups are gone. Moms are so smart. Thank you for listening. Hit the bell, hit the like, and hit the subscribe button for more books. And check out my other books. I've posted a bunch of other books. Listen to those. Thanks for listening.